Hey, what's up you guys, welcome to the new video, and today I'll be showing you how you can make nice looking attention capturing board covers with Canva. Now board covers just really round up your profile and make it look more professional, at least in my opinion, and I think every Pinterest account should have them. When person clicks through your pin to your account and they see that it's eye-catching and nicely organized, they're gonna click that follow button, and so you would want to have some board covers just for that. Alright, so we're here in Canva. The format for the board covers, I usually use this one, invitation format. There we go. And my Pinterest account is focused around woodworking and that kind of stuff, so you would wanna use similar colors and stuff related to woodworking. Alright, so I downloaded nice background image. Let me find it. Alright, here it is. I'll just transfer that here, make it a bit bigger. There we go. Perfect. And now I would add a rectangle right at the middle. There we go. Center it. Maybe a bit bigger. Nice. Alright, so let's pick a board for which we will make the cover for. Let's say I want to make a cover for outdoor projects. I'll go to text and write outdoor projects. Alright. I usually like to use size 50 for the letters. And there we go, center it. And this doesn't look really eye-catching, so we're gonna put some effects on the text. From all text Canva effects, I really like this one, so you can play around with it a little bit and see what fits for you in your profile. And I also like to add my profile logo and the tag for it, so make it smaller, add some text, and my tag is World of Woodworking. And there we go. Now I would want the color to be same as the logo, and same goes for this one. There we go. And the outline color, I would pick this one, seems fine, and make this a little bit thicker. Nice. Center this. There we go, this looks fine. And this, I wouldn't want it all to be just brown, so I'm gonna play around with the colors a bit. I like gray. I think dark gray looks real nice. Actually, I want to change this a little bit. Let's do this and this. Yeah, looks a bit better. And let's make this a bit darker. There we go. Alright. I think this looks pretty acceptable. Maybe I'll just make the color of the letters a bit brighter. Alright, that seems fine. And I'll enhance the font to 55. Nice. Alright, there we go. That's how I make my Pinterest board covers. And I'm just quickly gonna make a cover for each one of these, and I'll show you how it all turns out at the end.
2,000 years later.
And there we go. I finally finished all of the board covers, and this is how they look. This looks much better than without the board covers. As you can see, everything is nice and organized. Same theme for each one of them. And yeah, so if you want to use this template, I will leave a link down below, so you can just switch it up and make it fit your account. And I also wanted to show you how I publish these. So for example, let's take this one. You need to publish it as the regular pin, and then just go here and press this little icon, and then you can customize your board cover. So thank you guys for watching, and please like the video if you got some value from it, and subscribe for more future videos.